I'll put in the links again so you have access to those. And we have had a few requests to send the recording, so I'll do our best to get those downloaded and uploaded again and sent out later today or maybe tomorrow, just to get those in front of everyone. Do our best to send those as soon as we can. And there's some links again. You can fill out the survey every day if you want, or you can wait till the end. And if you need to get in touch with us about anything during the course, you can contact us at trainingsafe.com. Ryan, I might ask if you can find that link to the on-demand lab. Maybe you can share that again, just in case anyone does want to continue working after the machines turn off. I have allowed them to keep running until 2 p.m. again. It seems like quite a few people took advantage of that yesterday, so we'll keep those running. I'll be logging off around 1, but you can feel free to keep working. And if you do run into any questions, you can always email us at trainitsafe if that comes up. And great, yeah, thanks for sharing that, Ryan. So that's the link if you want to request a machine for today. Today's course, you can fill that out. It will have the slides and allow you to access a machine and everything, so you can use that if you'd like. But thanks again for attending. That was a good course today, some great questions, and look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Take care.